Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a proxy in PyCharm. Open the console and create a new file. To configure a proxy, input the command displayed on your screen. For setting up a proxy, use the format shown on your screen. This will ensure the command is properly executed. If you're using a free proxy, enter it in this format: IP address and port separated by a colon. If it's a private proxy, use the following format: IP address, colon, port, @symbol, username, colon, password. In the next line, specify the website URL that will utilize this proxy setting. All necessary commands are listed in the video description. With these settings complete, you can start using the application. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.